Watch the prayer. If you know Mampy Zeeks, give the video a thumbs up. If you hear about Mampy Zeeks, give the video a thumbs up. If you rate Mampy Zeeks, give the video a thumbs up. Them money a real G, I'm not talk G string.
Though we are trying to stay positive, and I don't treat how we are living. Some fools will negative.
Big up to my loyal subscriber them and big up to all our viewers them. Alright, so if you don't know who is Mampy Zeeks come from Kingston, Jamaica. And when you remember the old time video, yeah?
Is that when I don't grind me?
Yeah, the same video I did telling you say, yo, you see them man a era the badness, he come influence my badness and enough man in my age group badness. So if you never see the video, just go over there, do the damn thing, give some thumbs up. You know the thing go. But you see in the video, if you want to know who is Mampy Zeeks from my perspective, continue watch the video. Alright people, so when I say Mampy Zeeks, do not get it twisted with the Zeeks downtown. This is not Zeeks downtown, this is Mampy Zeeks from uptown. Them man a name no call pan Batty. You see me, when I say them man a real G, no G string round here. You see them man a loved by many, hated by few, but what? Respected by all. Alright, so when you talk about uptown and badness, you have to talk about Mampy Zeeks. Mampy Zeeks in the top 10 or the top 5 when you have to do it badness uptown. When I say uptown, I don't talk Augustown. I mean Kingston 7-6, Kingston whatever. From I say uptown, Mampy Zeeks in the top 10 conversation or the top 5 conversation when you have to do it badness. You hear that? Alright, so watch your chat. I have a subscriber, and keep on a bother me and say, yo, Bridgin, when you go tell me the story time and Mampy Zeeks drive down the car with you and your big brother at night and nearly shoot it up. So, but this I say, I just give you the video and just get it out of the way. So you see in the video, I go give you 3 story time. We have to do it Mampy Zeeks, so me experience. So, this is the first one. Boom. So this go on in 2001. 2001, me a juvenile them time there. 2001, enough of a virgin them time there. And 2001, enough of a just born. Yeah, that. But anyway, in 2001, you don't know the thing go. You stay so boom as a juvenile. You don't know 2001 big broski that I'm a big brother. Them man they just get him driver's license. So you don't know when they just get the driver's license them time they just want burn up road, they want do road, you see it. So at the time, my big brother did stay so. I say yo, in bridging them up for Augustown, did I keep a little school link up, school get together. So I must say, you want to go up there. You see me? And you don't know as a juvenile, you want a little brother, you want for roll the big brother anywhere I go. So me, that was me, you see it? So stay so boom now and him say I go up there. So I asked him if I could afford and I said, alright. You see me? So it was me, him, and our next door neighbor, you see me? So I'll take her on the road. So, as I said, this is in 2001. And I talk about Augustown. And who know about Augustown in 2001 know say, yo, war did go on up there, you see it? So it was a war between Jungle 12 and Vietnam, Jungle 12 and Hermitage, Jungle 12 and writer Sizzler them writer Color Red, you see me? So, Jungle 12 take on the war with bare people, you see it? And we stay so now, boom. I go up to Augustown in the hot zone, but what? We don't know Augustown. We don't know, say, yo, the place hot and scotchy them way there, you see it? So anyway, big broski I drive, up on Mona Road, me in the back seat. I don't know as a juvenile, I love to observe on them things. So, I can remember I go up on Mona Road and you don't know when you reach basically Augustown, the big dirty church greet you right at Hermitage there. So me did familiar with the church there because we used to drop our partner run our woman down on the Hermitage for my mother, you see it. So boom, so now when we reach there, so I have an idea. What me this? I say, oh yeah, so whatever the partner lady did there. You see me, so I say, yo, Augustown this. But anyway, stay so boom. Go down on the big dirty hill right there, so then we stay so boom. Go down on the hill right at Sizzler. Slide past Jungle 12. Now we go down in our hole. We end up in a Vietnam. See me? What was that? Vietnam. So reach on the location, big broski jump out. Our next door neighbor jump out. Me left in the car and sit down on the back seat. Seeing the two tools, big broski come back in the car and say, yo, you must go to the yard for get 2 CD, I think. Cause them time in 2001 it was cassette and CD, and cassette did make a transition into CD them time, you see. So yeah, we gotta pick up some CD back at the yard. You see me? So when we did about to drive off now, him classmate, one of them classmate them run come and I say, yo dog, me a forward. So we stay so now. 3 of we now, me, Big Broski and him classmate. But we end up left with next door neighbor. We left him up there. You see me? So we drive out now. And this is how me could remember. Me remember as a juvenile, sit down on the back seat and a bright car light behind the way. Just pull up and I blow on and all you hear, yo, 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 you see me? So my brother classmate now I turn around and I say, yo dog, you know see a boom bang them that brother. So my brother say, boom bang them, you mad brother? First thing, me no know no man upper so. Second thing, me just get license. So no man no know so me drive boy. You see it? So he must say, no man a boom bang them man. My big brother say you crazy. We did reach right at Bryce Hill at the 4-way they say, you see it? Big broski just stay so. And nail it and pressing at the belly of the car, man. We there drive a Corolla, man, and the Corolla they did have a little fast pepping thing to it, you see me? I was still some was speed off, man. I was cut left the board them, man, cause the board them that try to catch you, but them couldn't catch it, so Big broski stay so now and drop me off of the yard, so you don't know adrenaline and pump now, you see me? And me as a juvenile, me don't know what the frig I go on, you see it? So Big broski just cut left me at the yard and cut. So 2 twos now the Big broski stay so and pull up on a different ends where him did have some other schoolmate, you see me? So I'm gonna give them a link and one of them schoolmate them on the ends and now I guess him did kinda inna the streets. I don't know what inna the street, but he made have a thing. You see me, and him pop out the thing and I say, yo dog, what go on? And Big broski I make him know what go on. And I must say, yo, come in man, I could try go up them and I want them man, we have this. Big broski I said, nah man, can't do that. I have to go back up there for my dog. I have to go up there safe and you see me? So boom, so now Big broski tell him little schoolmate say, yo, here what? I go short you back if anything. So him stay so now and he end up finding way. Big broski end up finding way down a Tiger Mart. Who remember the gas station there, right there so? Each up down the sun. Man I scratch me there and wonder what am I gonna do, cause I have to go back for the next door neighbor, cause I left him up there stranded, you see it? And never know say war hot up there so. Him down at the gas station now stay so and then end up buck up in one of our next little brethren them who they grew up with. Well him grew up with still. Cause I don't know me a juvenile still, but one of him little brethren them buck up with and man make him know the 100 and man say, you left such man up there dog. John know dog, what you gonna do? Big broski I say, yo, I don't know about what I have to go up there in the dark cause I can't left the man up there, you see it? So the dog stays and decides say I have to go up there back for the dog, you see me? So when broski stays and jump back in the car and start the engine and about to pull off, the youth now I say, yo, and run down the car and I say, yo dog, don't left yet. Talk to them man there. I think them man there friend up in the Augustown, talk to them man there. You see me, so Big broski go now and talk to the G now. You see me, go talk to the Ras and I make the Ras know say, yo, I left such and such up there now. And this and this go on and I must say, you know, I know a couple of man up in the Augustown, I make a phone call. So dog G go up on him phone and I say, yo, little bridging it up there a while ago and I must say some man drive him down, you know. You hear that? Ray, you know. So yo, the next man on the line I say, you know say them lucky. I dust off for dust them up dog, but the boy them get where. You see me? Guess who did that on the next line? I guess you could tell me who. The G himself, man. Yeah. So the man I say, yeah man, my boy them man I must say, oh John no. Them lucky still you know. You see it and dog I say, yo, here, come in, I go up the man, follow behind me. You see me, so Big broski stay so I follow behind the G, you know, you know, the next dog now, follow behind them, so don't know, the man them reach up at Augustown now, you see me, so boss did a lead up Big broski now stay so and flash him car light, you see me, and get the signal now and them drive go down now, you see me, cause remember, you know, Jungle 12, and Vietnam did a war. And you have to pass Jungle 12 to get to Vietnam. So, you see the maths? Alright, so, boom, so now, station now, big broski station now, I get to go ahead and go down. And station spin and one neighbor station run coming out the car, breathless and jump in. And station, and them drive out and yo, big broski say yo, when them drive out, brother. When them drive out, I'm rich, I basically like a Jungle tape, the same rich. The man say him see a man station run cross with a big tall rifle. Run cross with a big rifle and run cross, you see me? Now so the man them just drive out and cut, brother. You hear that, so? That me I tell you, man, that was the story, man. When Mampy Zeeks nearly drive down the car and dust it up with me, my big brother. With me and my big brother tonight, you see it? But people, you know make the story even funnier. All along me and Mampy daughter did I go to the same school together. I not even did know say I film daughter. Every day I see the girl at school, I never know say yo, Mampy was our father. You know when I find out say Mampy was our father? After we left school, I don't know, we grew up and we in the street certain way. I get for me at the G and thing and me used to always see man I say yo, what me know him face from me? Him face look so familiar but me just can't wrap my finger around it. And one day I see him and him daughter apart and I say, Rascal, I feel him daughter this all along. You see the world small? Cause yo, when you see she you know, you see him you know, dead stamp you know, them favor you know, you can't miss it you know. Alright, so fast forward to story number 2. This is something I see out of my 2 year them. I see the G move like a him named Chuck Norris. So yo, this is when Mampy Zeeks did have the champagne kingfish. So who know the history of the badness? Know what me a talk about. Alright, so I did there my uncle yard on the front. I clean up my shoes because I did have school the next day. I think it was a Sunday night, you see me? But anyway, I could rewind a little bit. So what did go on before is I think police see Mampy Zeeks a drive and say yo, them a go pull him over. They don't know Mampy Zeeks see them and say oh, not there. And cut left them and drive off and the thing turning a high speed chase, you see me? So fast forward now back to what me did then now. So I dey on the location my uncle yard and clean out my shoes and thing. 2-2s me hear a car go so on the lane front. And I say what that then 2-2 me see a blue light a follow behind it. So I say Ras, what go on? After that guess what I see the car turn on the lane now. A blue come down so I say yo what go on? I stay so I look good. He's a little man that me see jump out of the car while the car a drive, brother. Me I say, yo! And then the car says so, whoom! I run up in my uncle brand new Benz. The little man jump out of the car while the car did a run. Run off and go in one choppy. And the police them jump out of them car. And run him down and beat off too. Pump, pump! You see me, but the dog get wet. So I did there and I watch what I go on and I say, wait! I'm moving this. Only moving me see them thing up and police them forward and start search up the car and me hear them say something about Mampy Zeeks. So I say wait, they name the ring a bell. You see me? I know they name that. You see me them hear police say no man you see the boy. Him run left shot in the car. I say wait, crime scene hot. So I didn't know and 2-2 my uncle come out now and I say yo, why go off my car? Why go off my car? So they must say, oh, they know to come back to the station. So now my uncle say I'm going to the station. So you don't know me as a juvenile, I want to go. So I run go with him now and boom bang now down at the station now. I'm dead, you see me? So my uncle down there say, oh, I go for the car. You see me? So me dead up on the outside I sit down. And you don't know me love to observe. So I'm out there I observe. So I'm just dead. 2-2s. I'm dead there I see. Alright. All of the gangsters them know the history. I don't know the badness, you know. But out there I observe, brother. I say, who remember the White Town Ace? The tin top White Town Ace. The minibus? Alright. I not even have to say 40. But me as a juvenile out there observe. At that I see. And it just look abnormal to me. And I say, oh, how the car they look so? You see me? 2-2s are be a strange face man. I see a pop up on the police compound. Be a man a walk and man all ask me as a juvenile, yo, what go on? So man say, what you mean what go on? A little man crashing on my uncle car and we down here try to figure out what the fuck I go on feet, you see it? So my daddy, you don't know what badness go. Dog them send them little foot soldier to see what go on. If the boy them have the boss name in them mouth or what go on, you see me? So my daddy as a juvenile and me I say, yo, that was story number 2. You see, because you know the badness going at story number 2, the boss act like a his name Chuck Norris, I jump out a car while car move. But anyway, story number 3 now. Alright, this is story number 3, it kinda different. It kinda different in a way where we grew up now, we have a more understanding what go on at the streets now. You see me, we're more out there now, you see me? And that time, me and a couple of my dog them did say, yo, we want to buy some desert clocks. And if you get desert clocks, you have to go downtown Kingston, you see it? So, we end up finding a way down a town and I walk out the whole downtown, you see me? Till we end up reach run one part. And it so happens say, yo, we are walk past Matches Lane. And a couple of we well still, you know, but you see the dog at the back of we, them man they decide say, I'm going to screw up film face. Because downtown is there, you know, you can't move soft downtown, you know. So him go screw up film face while we are walk past Matches Lane and go look up in the man them lane and go make eye contact with some man in the lane. Guess what happened after that? BA man Corelby as we pass the lane. BA man Corelby out for mash you up right there. So. And one of the dog them say, yo, Mampy Zeeks, uptown, and at that make the man them fall back and nobody doing nothing. You see me? Because when I understand say, yo, Mampy Zeeks and Zeeks downtown a PNP, so a one link, one way, one out. But what? The Zeeks downtown name associated Batty. But you don't know the thing go. That's my story time. You see me, I'm opening it, enjoy it. Hope the gangster them know say, yo, that's how the chap go. R.I.P. to the dog them. Once again, you know the thing go, man. You don't know. We'll come with more video. Think more analyze Augustown badness, you know, because I need to talk to the youth them, because you don't know a positive street. You see me at 876. Well, anyway, you know the thing go.
Yeah. The way I try and stay positive, and I don't feel the way I living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics. When I hear from them, now we not beg none of them. Cause we not look a friend, and we not look a man. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and man. I don't know what one pretend, just grab her up and go hand. The way I try and stay positive, and I don't feel the way I living. Some fools well negative, hear them come with them politics.